So I just wanted to give an overview of another tutorial where I've gone into great depth into how to debug Node.js containers using Podman as an alternative to Docker. So this short little video is just an explanation of what's in that video because it's a 2-hour video and it's an in-depth tutorial. So I thought it would just be a good idea to sort of just give a synopsis of what's in there, and you can take a look at that video in my channel. So if you're interested in how to build what I'm about to show you in great depth, then go to this video. But what is it that we're after? You know, one of the things I love about VSCode is it offers a great integrated debugging experience. If I've got a simple Node app, you know, and I select to debug my application, I press the F5 key and I'm presented with an interactive debugging environment. And that's the experience. It's great. It works well. It's integrated. And, you know, it's just a superb experience. Now, what if you could do the same thing with containers, but without Docker? Well, that's what the tutorial is all about, is how to set up integrated VS Code debugging with Podman from a Mac without using Docker Desktop. Let me just show you what it looks like. If I select the specific task that I'm going to demonstrate, notice I've changed nothing. There's no Docker file. I just press the F5 key, and there we are. I'm actually stepping through a container that is not running as root. Look at the output. It's running in Linux. The PID2 is Node. The process user is the Node user. So it's not running as root. So it's an unprivileged debugging scenario without a Docker daemon. So how could you set VS Code up to do this? Well, this is what the in-depth tutorial is about. And the goal always is to provide a fantastic container debugging experience. So please take a look at the video, and I think you'll find it helpful. There it is again. Cheers.